when you feel hungry, what is the first thing you do? Who will tell? Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, we eat something.
We eat something. We head on to the kitchen. We directly go to the kitchen, है ना? In search of food.
Yes, ma'am.
So now tell me, from where does that food come to our kitchen? कहाँ से आता है वो food kitchen में? Yes, अपूर्व.
मैम मैम फार्म से आता है और मैम जब भी मुझे भूख लगती है ना मैं किचन में जाता हूँ और मेरे हाथ से मतलब जब भी मुझे भूख लगती है या फिर खाना खाने का टाइम रहता है वो खा लेता हूँ लेकिन जब दोपहर को भूख लगती है ना तब मैं किचन में जाता हूँ और कुछ भी अपना फ्राइड राइस बना के खा लेता हूँ कुछ भी अपना फ्राइड राइस करते थे.
So whenever we feel hungry, we move to the kitchen. We search for food, and from where the food come to the kitchen? So to kitchen, the food comes from farm. Okay. So now let's learn the process how the food comes to how the food comes from farm to our kitchen. Okay. Now no one will raise the hand. I will take doubt in last 10 minutes. Okay. I'm going to share my screen and now no one will touch the screen also. So our next chapter, chapter number 11 is farm to kitchen. Okay. We will understand this chapter by reading the chapter. Okay. In this chapter, we will come to know about how does the food produce in the farm and how it reaches to our kitchen. Okay. फार्म में कैसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं फूड को और कैसे वो हमारे किचन तक पहुंचता है. हाउ आर क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन द फार्म्स. What tools and machines are used in farming? What are the important spices grown in India? And which spice can be recognized by smelling and tasting? All these things we will learn in this chapter. Okay. Now who will read this paragraph for me? First two paragraph. Yes, Molly. Molly.
मैम कहाँ से पढ़ना है?
First line. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Do you know how the food produced in the farm
Produced in the farm
reach
reaches.
our kitchen?
हाँ.
Reaches in our kitchen. Let us see how Goping works in his farm to grow crops.
Gopi has
Gopi has grown wheat in his farm. He bound good
quality seeds.
Quality seeds from the market. He
Feels
that good quality seeds will produce good quality
grains.
grains.
Okay, thank you, Molly. So, do you know how the food produced in the farm? Let's see the process. There is a boy named Gopi. He worked in his farm to grow the crop. Okay, what he grow? Gopi has grown wheat in his farm. For growing wheat, he has bought good quality of seeds from the market, and he feels that good quality seeds will give good quality of crop. Okay, so this is true that if you will sow good quality of seed, then it will obviously produce good quality of grains. Now, the first thing what he has done is he plugged his field with the help of his tractor. Plugging makes the soil soft and helps the plant to grow well. So first thing what he has done, he has plugged the field. You can see in the first picture, tractor है यहाँ पे first picture में. Gopi is plugging his field with the help of tractor. Plugging means digging the land. खोद रहा है वो लैंड को विद द हेल्प ऑफ ना लैंड इज बहुत बड़ी जमीन है फॉर फार्मिंग ऑब्वियसली वी नीड लार्ज एरिया ऑफ लैंड सो अगर आप छोटा प्लांट भी एक गमले में प्लांट लगा रहे हो इफ यू आर प्लांटिंग अ ट्री प्लांटिंग अ plant in a pot, what you do, you first dig the soil. So in the same way he plugged his field with the help of tractor. What plugging is doing, plugging makes the soil soft, okay, and helps the plant to grow well. Okay, so after plugging, so first step is plugging. After plugging he sowed the seed and watered the entire farm. प्लग करने के बाद जब मिट्टी डिग कर ली उसके बाद व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, ही इज सोइंग द सीड एंड वाटरिंग द प्लांट, वाटरिंग द एंटायर फार्म. ओके, within a few days small plants come out of the seed. Slowly the plant grew big. Gopi took care of the plant. He removed the weeds and watered them regularly. After plugging he sowed the seeds and watered the farm, water the whole land. फिर after within a days, कुछ दिनों के बाद उसमें से from the seeds new baby plants came out. Slowly that plants slowly the plants grew big. Gopi took very good care of the plants. Now how he is taking care of plants, he removed the weeds and water them regularly. Weeds means unwanted plants. Suppose if you are growing rose plant के अगल बगल में अगर जो भी अनवांटेड दूसरे प्लांट्स है दैट ऑल आर कॉल्ड वीड. सो ही रिमूव द वीड्स आर अनवांटेड प्लांट. ही रिमूव द वीड्स एंड वाटर देम रेगुलरली. ही नोज दैट प्लांट्स नीड water to grow. Why he is watering the plant? Because plant need water to grow. Plant get energy from water and from sunlight. Okay, so obviously he plant wants water to grow. Now second paragraph, Apurv, read the paragraph. Gopi sprayed.
मैम कहाँ से? गोपी, yes मैम, गोपी sprayed pesticide to kill the insects. Within 2-3 months, the plant were full of green grains. The green grains slowly changed to golden brown. Now the wheat crop was ready for harvesting. The cutting of crops from the field is called harvesting.
Okay. So, after plugging, he sowed the seed and he watered the plant. Next step, what he has done, he removed the unwanted weeds. Unwanted weeds अगर आ गए तो फिर that plant will not get proper nutrition. फिर न्यूट्रिशन डिवाइड हो जाएगा, न्यूट्रिशन वीड्स को भी चला जाएगा. सो व्हाट ही हैव डन, ही रिमूव द वीड्स. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट ही हैज डन, गोपी हैज स्प्रेड द पेस्टिसाइड्स. पेस्टिसाइड्स इज अ केमिकल, ओके, used to kill the insects. Gopi sprayed pesticides to kill the insects. Within 2-3 months the plant were full of green grains. After 2-3 months the plants में seed आने लगे, green grains आने लगे, and after few months slowly this green grains changed to golden brown. This means our crop is mature. Okay, when the green grains turn to golden brown, this means our crop is mature. Now our crop is ready for harvesting. And now what is harvesting? Harvesting is cutting of crops. जब क्रॉप पूरी तरह से मैच्योर हो जाता है, रेडी हो जाता है, द टाइम ऑफ कटिंग, द कटिंग ऑफ क्रॉप इज कॉल्ड हार्वेस्टिंग. ओके, सो अगर कोई पूछेगा व्हाट इज हार्वेस्टिंग, द कटिंग ऑफ क्रॉप फ्रॉम द फील्ड इज कॉल्ड हार्वेस्टिंग. ओके, नाउ फॉर हार्वेस्टिंग गोपी ब्रॉट अ हार्वेस्टिंग मशीन विच कट्स द प्लांट. फॉर इतनी बड़ी एरिया है, क्रॉप इतने बड़े फार्म में ग्रो कर रहे हैं, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू कट द क्रॉप विद द हैंड, बट देयर आर मेनी फार्मर्स दैट कट द crops with their hands. But there are many farmers who use machine for harvesting. So machines, Gopi used harvesting machine which cut the plant, not only cut the plant, also separate the grain from the husk. If you have seen the, अगर आपने कभी पिक्चर देखी होगी, it is here in the first, it is green. Look here, second picture. They are spraying pesticides. Okay, these are the green grains. This will turn into golden grain. Then they will get mature. Okay, after they get mature, they are harvested. They are taken out from the husk. Husk or grains जो है separate किया जाता है with the help of harvesting machine. Okay, so Gopi is using harvesting machine to cut the plants and also to separate the grains from the husk. Okay, within 2 days, Gopi harvested the entire amount produced in the farm. So Gopi को कितना time लगा पूरे crop को, पूरे amount of crop को harvest करने के लिए? 2 days. Okay. Now he has grain of wheat on one side and husk on the other side. Okay. अब गोपी के पास क्या क्या है? grain of wheat and husk on another side. Now what Gopi will do? Gopi will sell both husk and seeds in the market. Okay, the grains on grinding will change to flour. Grains को जब grind करेंगे, it will convert into wheat grain will convert into wheat flour. The flour will be packed into bags of different sizes and sold in the market. And these bags we purchase from the shops and फिर उससे गरम-गरम रोटियां बनाते हैं. Okay. So we buy these bags of flour from the market to cook our meals. This is how food grow in the farm reaches our kitchen. Understood? So let us recap what Gopi did to produce wheat in his farm. So first point. Yes, Arush? Want to learn? Want to read? Arush? Okay, Samiksha. Read these points.
Yes, ma'am. Let us recap what Gopi did to produce wheat in his farm. Locate and leave the soil, bought seeds from the market.
First point is plugged and leveled the soil.
And bought seeds from market. Third, snowed the seeds in the soil. Fourth, watered the field. Fifth, removed the weeds. Sixth, sprayed pesticides. Seven, harvested the crop. Eight, sold wheat grains in the market. Let us have a look at the tools and
Machinery.
machinery used by Gopi to grow the crop. Tractor.
Okay, Samiksha. So these are the 8 steps Gopi used to produce wheat in his farm. सबसे पहले क्या किया? Soil को plug किया और level किया. He sowed the bought seeds from the market. Third step is he sowed the seeds in the soil. Soil में वो seeds डाला and water the field. Okay, after watering, plants, small baby plants come out. Fifth step he has done is he removed the unwanted plants, that is weeds. He removed the weeds. Then he sprayed pesticides to protect the plants from insects. He harvested the crops. When the crop got matured, he harvested the crop. That means he has cut the crops. After cutting the crop, he sold the wheat grains in the market. Okay. So here are the tools that are used, tools and machines that are used by Gopi to grow the crops. Okay, so the first tool, that is tractor for plugging and leveling the soil. सबसे first step क्या हुआ था? Who is this? Yes, Tapassum. बेटा पोर्टल से नहीं, आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में लिंक भेजा है. अभी मेरी क्लास चल रही है. आई विल ड्रॉप यू लिंक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में है, आप उससे जाके ज्वाइन. Yes. So the first tool that is used by Gopi for plugging is tractor. Tractor is used for plugging and leveling the soil. The next tool that is used by Gopi is second step में क्या किया? He watered the field. After plugging, after sowing the seed, he watered the field. So for watering the field, he used tube well to water the plants. Okay. So here is the image of the tube well. You can see in the second image. This is the image of the second tool used by Gopi. That is tube well. Now the third tool is rake for weeding. Nishchay, don't touch the screen. Rake for weeding. For removing the unwanted seeds, for removing the unwanted weeds, that is unwanted plants, he used the tool that is rake. आप यहाँ पे first image देख पा रहे हो. This is rake used for weeding to remove the unwanted plants. Third tool is rake. Fourth tool is hand hoe for digging and weeding. For weeding, one more type of tool is used, that is hand hoe for digging and weeding. Unwanted weeds, unwanted plants को remove करने के लिए these are the tools used by Gopi. Okay. Pick, mattock for digging and weeding. You can see this. आप कोई भी फार्मर के पास अगर देखोगे, he used to carry this tool, pick mattock for digging and weeding. To dig the soil, he used this tool, that is pick mattock. This is the bottle, this is the instrument, machine used to spray the pesticides. Why pesticides are used? Pesticides are used to kill the insects so that they don't harm the crop. Pesticide sprayer for spraying pesticides. Okay. Harvesting machine for cutting the crop from the field and also separating the grains from the husk. So this is the image of the harvesting machine. What harvesting machine is doing? It is cutting the crop from the field and also separating grains from the husk. Okay. So how many types of tools are used by Gopi? 1, 2, that is harvesting machine, spraying machine, pick mattock number 3, hand hoe number 4, rake number 5, tube well number 6, and tractor number 7. So 7 types of tools and machines are used by Gopi to produce the crop. Okay. Now, who will read this next paragraph? Dakshita? Okay, Nishchay, read the next paragraph. Fast. Most
of the raw materials required by government from the farms. The farms grow
Okay, Deshna, read. From most of the raw material. Most of
Most of the
हाँ,
raw materials reduced by use in
required by us
required by us in the kitchen to cook your our
meals
meats come for the farmers. The farmers grow
the farmer grow
sells
cereal.
pulses, spices, vegetables, and fruit for us and sell them in the market. We purchase this and use
Them
them in the kitchen to our
meals.
meals.
Okay.
Let
Thank you, Deshna.
us celebrate
Okay, Deshna, this.
to
So most of the raw materials required by us in the kitchen to cook our meal. Raw material means जो बेसिक चीजें बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए हैं हमें कुक करने के लिए that are called raw materials. Most of the raw materials required by us in the kitchen to cook our meals come from where does this raw materials come? All this raw materials come from farm. This farmer who is grown by who grow this materials कहाँ से मिलता है फार्म से मिलता है एंड हु ग्रोज द फार्मर ग्रोज सीरियल पल्सेस मीन्स दाल the farmer grows cereal, pulses, spices, vegetables, and fruits, and they sell all these materials in the market. We purchase this raw material from the market, and use them in the kitchen to cook our delicious and tasty meal. Okay, now let us see how your mother is able to make aloo paratha. Okay, let's see the steps how आलू पराठा कैसे बनाया जाता है. Okay, listen the step, read the step very carefully and ask your mother कि मम्मा आप भी इसी तरह से बनाते हो. Okay, now so the first step how आलू पराठा is कैसे बनता है. The first step is a farmer sow potato in the field. First step is हमें तो पहले for making aloo paratha we need aloo. Okay, so for from where we will get aloo? When a farmer will sow the potato. Aloo is called potato in English. So when farmer sows potato in the field, then only we will get potato. So first step is a farmer sows potato in the field. He takes out the fully grown potato from the farm. Okay, now potato obviously for growing fully, for maturing, potato will need time. So he takes out the fully grown potato after few months. Okay, so he takes out the fully grown potato from the farm. Now he means farmer then sells the potato in the market. See how he is sitting in the market and he is selling the potato. Okay, when potatoes are fully matured, well fully grown, farmer sells the potato in the market. Second step is our mother buys the potato from the market. You can see in the picture of mother. She is buying potato from the farmer. Okay. Next step is after purchasing the potato from the market, she boils the potato, peels them and mixes salt and spices. Okay. Boil करती है, then she peel off the skin of the potato and mixes salt and spices in the potato. She need flour to make a dough. अभी हमने in the first step we have seen how flour कैसे हमारे किचन तक आता है. How Gopi is producing wheat. From wheat we get flour. She needs flour to make a dough. The potato mix is filled in small balls of the dough and rolled out into parathas. Okay, so we need flour. फ्लोर कहाँ से मिला? Flour, we get flour from wheat, grains of wheat. And we have learned how Gopi is producing wheat in his farm. Okay, so in this way, we get wheat, flour and potato from the farm. Okay, and in this way we can prepare a delicious tasty aloo paratha. Now, after kneading the dough, she filled the stuffing in the small balls of dough and roll out the paratha. Mother then fries them in little oil over an iron tawa. Okay. After rolling out the paratha, she fries the paratha in the iron tawa, and our tasty delicious paratha is ready to eat. Okay, so this is how uh, wheat flour and potato from farm comes to our kitchen. Now, mother has added spices in the potato mix. Now, from how this spices is coming to our kitchen, let's read. So, spice add to the taste of food. Why we use spice? Because spice is adding taste to our food. They are used in small quantities, but they change the flavor and taste of food. India is famous for its spices all over the world. Some of the important spices used in the kitchen are given on the next page. Okay, why we are using spices? To add the taste in the food. And we use only small quantity of spices to change the taste and flavor of our food. And yes, Deshna, yes, all these are the spices that are produced in farm. So what are the spices? Cardamom. Cardamom is also known as elaichi. Cumin. Cumin means jeera. Fennel. Second is fennel. Fennel means soft. If you have seen soft, fennel means soft. Cloves. Cloves means long. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is dalchini. All these are the spices that are used in food to give flavor and taste. Black pepper, red pepper, turmeric. Turmeric means haldi. Black pepper means kali ilaichi. Red pepper means red chili. Okay. So all these are the spices that are used in food to give the taste and flavor. Children, do you know 450 gram of dry saffronin? Dry saffronin is a spice also known as kesar. Requires the harvest of up to 75,000 flowers. आप यहाँ पे right side में picture में देख रहे हो? So this is 450 gram. 450 gram means less than half kg. So for half kg, how many flowers are harvested? 75,000. 75,000. सोचो इतने सारे फ्लावर्स को हार्वेस्ट करके इतना थोड़ा सा लेस देन हाफ kg ऑफ saffronin we are getting. Okay, so to harvest for 75,000 flowers, 20 hours of labor. Okay, कितनी चीजें लग रही है? 450 ग्राम ऑफ saffronin के लिए it requires 75,000 flowers, 20 hours and 20 hours of labor. मतलब लेबर्स जो है वो 20 hours के लिए काम करते हैं to get only 450 gram of saffronin. So imagine how valuable, how costly it is. Okay, only 5 minutes left. Any doubt in today's class? Yes, Nishchay. हाँ निश्चय बोलो.
मैं बोल रहा था मैम, हमको हाफ ईयर एग्जाम में मैम किधर से चैप्टर आने वाले?
हाफ ईयरली में कितना चैप्टर आने वाला है? हाफ ईयरली में चैप्टर नंबर 9 टिल चैप्टर नंबर 9.
यस मैम.
और आपको सिलेबस अभी 2-3 दिन में मिल जाएगा. ओके, उसमें पूरा लिखा हुआ है कि व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड हाउ मेनी चैप्टर विल कम इन द एग्जाम. ओके, यस देशना.
मैम ईवीएस में तो चैप्टर 9 तक आएगा और मैथ्स में कितना आएगा?
मैथ्स में टिल वी आर डूइंग चैप्टर नंबर 3. तो अभी चैप्टर नंबर 3 तक. इफ वी विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 4 देन चैप्टर नंबर 4 विल आल्सो कम.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, और EVS में 9?
Till chapter number 9. बेटा आपको अभी सिलेबस भी मिल जाएगा, so don't worry about that. You just start reading, start revising from chapter number 1. ठीक है? Yes, Apurva, I am coming to you. हाँ अपूर्वा.
मैम अभी जब आलू पराठा की रेसिपी बताए ना, और मैं कल ही आलू पराठा खाया हूँ और मैं देखा भी है मम्मी कैसे बनाती है.
अच्छा, okay, very good. So your mama cook in this way only, na?
यस मैम.
Okay. Yes, Arush. हाँ धानवी.
मैम जो मैम आप अभी जो क्लास हो रही थी मैम, उसमें आप जो पढ़ाए हो मैम, मैं आधा नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मैम मेरी ऑनलाइन चालू नहीं हो रही थी क्लास.
Okay, go and watch the recording and complete your work. Okay.
यस मैम.
Okay, let's finish the chapter. Only few lines are left. Spices like cardamom, fenugreek, fennel, cloves and cinnamon can be recognized just by smelling them. अगर आपके घर में ask your mother, you can smell the fragrance of these spices. By just smelling the fragrance, you can come to know what type of spice it is. Black pepper and red pepper are pungent in taste. They are pungent in taste. They are added to food in very small quantities. Turmeric gives yellow color to food. It also kills germ present in food. Turmeric is an antibiotic. It is used in almost all foods to give yellow color and also to kill germs. Okay. So all these spices they add flavor and taste to our food. So here our chapter number 11 is chapter number 11. Farm to kitchen is also complete. You can write down the notes. Today I will upload the exercise solution. After uploading, you can write down the notes. Okay. Question number 1. Gopi plugged his field with the help of his options are bullock, tractor or hand hoe. Which tool he used? He used tractor. Okay. So answer is tractor. Number B, farmers spray dash in the field to kill the insects. They spray pesticides. So answer is option number 3, pesticide. Number B, answer is option number 3, pesticide. Harvesting machine can separate grains from the harvesting machine grains को किससे separate कर रही है? Husk. So answer is option number 1, husk. Black pepper and red pepper are dash in taste. They are salty, pungent or bitter. So the correct answer is option number 2, pungent. Number A, option number 2. I am repeating. Number B, option number 3. Number C, option number 1. Number D, option number 2. Okay? Done?